we were going to talk about these really good looking
Tommy's rig.
Tommy's rig.
Well, he actually probably knows a lot more about it than I do, but it is an RC car of sorts, isn't it?
So
it's a drag car. This is
drag racing is something that is, taken out
building
recently.
And you can tell it's building by the more and more influence that the aftermarket sector's having on it.
Yeah, absolutely. So very much, you can get any cars and turn it into a drag car, realistically.
Yeah, well, it's based off an old buggy, isn't it?
This I think is a
Slash
Bandit.
or Bandit. Yeah,
Bandit, and the other one that we have there, I think, is more of a
Slash. And then I think trucks are about to release their no prep drag car as well, aren't they? So it really shows that the aftermarket's taking it very serious.
That's
it means that there's something going on there. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. They're fairly cheap to get into, aren't they? Definitely. I think they're limited at 2S, so to keep the costs down. They're still crazy fast though. I think they're doing like 2.2 seconds, I want to say, or 2.4 seconds. So yeah, you can see this one here's been fitted with 8-scale GTE tires. Yeah, because apparently that's a pretty good formula.
I think once you put your body on, that looks pretty cool. Look at this.
They love it, don't they?
Look at this.
It is pretty cool.
I really like the wheels going inside the body here.
Yeah, and it's even got the big wheelie bar on there. You can see.
That's right. That's right. And then there's another one here. Let me grab
this. They're like breeding, aren't they?
Look at this. So Tom has a unlimited selection
of RC cars.
Of any kind of color.
Ever?
I think it does every color of car that is in the market.
Now this one here is actually an out of the box
Team Associated
yes. DR10.
DR10.
So I think we've had it on before. Actually, probably this very same car that we've had on
body
before.
shell is yeah, it's actually the original body shell.
Yeah, it's the original body shell. I think he's put a few detailed trimmings on there and stuff.
Again, big wheels at the back.
Big wheels at the back. He's got the 8-scale GT on there. And he has upgraded the electrics. I think it's still in the prototype phase, hence the super long wires. But he's taken it from the 3300 kV ready to run motor, and I think he's put a 4.5 turn motor in it. So it's a really censored motor. So that's what we would use in competition on road. And this is the brand new Exotec wheelie bar to go on it, isn't it?
Definitely. So this will fit at the back here.
It'll fit over the gearbox and come right down.
That's right.
And I haven't actually had a look at this one, but yeah, it'll have all the adjustments here, so you can adjust it incrementally to see how much squat you're getting and how much balance you're getting to try and generate that traction.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so this thing should be a rocket.
I think so.
Looking forward to seeing some videos or some pics of it going down.
That's right.
Going down the road. Going down Flinders Street. Well, it's nice and quiet out there.
In a rainy day.
Nice and quiet out there. I think we could do it one day.
Absolutely. So
I think we should do it one day.
I think we should do it one day.
So yeah, so that's a couple of dragsters that we've got, which is really cool. Like I said, it's a growing market. Yeah, really excited for Traxxas to get amongst it too.
That's right.
With their ready to run one, because most predominantly people are using the Slash and the Bandits, and then Associated released their DR10, which is based off of
SC10. I think is their short
course truck, which goes back to the B5.
That's right.
Is it?
Yeah,
or
something
B6
like that.
maybe,
like that, yeah.
But yeah,
definitely.
So fairly familiar architecture to most people in RC, and the aftermarket bodies look fantastic too.
Absolutely. So we've got a few J Concept bodies, aftermarket bodies.
We have got a few J Concept ones, which brings me to
a few other manufacturers joining in. I don't think anyone has released officially anything, but we know.
Bit of Design have even recently talked about doing the 1/7 scale.
That's right.
Basher body.
That's right.
Which will look cool. I think it's going to be
hopefully to get onto the drag market.
Yeah, and the drag market, the high speed market. So there's a big market for just going up and down streets and straight lines, obviously.
Absolutely. So
that is a bit of drag stuff this week. Looking forward to seeing that go.